Okay, touchdown from home to office. Testing natin. DU7 Foxtrot DU7F mobile. DU7 Foxtrot.
And DU7 Foxtrot Durham.
Ayun, may nakakopya. Nandito na tayo sa Magellan.
Okay, go ahead, Flo. Go ahead, DU7 Foxtrot Mobile. And the group, DU7 AAQ.
DU7 AAQ, DU7 Foxtrot touchdown na dito sa parking area. This time, how copy over?
You're 5 and 5. What's your QTH, Flo? Over?
Dito sa opisina, Cebu City, over.
So if the others can copy you now. You're solid 5 and 5 now, Q5, over.
Thank you for the 5 and 5 Q5. 59 plus also here in Cebu. May location. Nakatambay muna bago baba, over.
Okay, nag-standby ka. Yeah, PK56. So let's see if the other guys can copy your flow, no? You take it per hand. Can you copy flow and over? Okay, Joe, can you copy flow? Whip, are you there, Whip? Ready. Can you hear flow now? Yes, better. Okay, thank you for copy. Park in downtown Cebu, right? Oh. DU7 Foxtrot Mobile. This is Delta Victor 7 Victor November. Which is the end of the flow. Can you copy flow?
QSL, loud and clear. Delta Victor 7 Victor November, DU7 Foxtrot Mobile. Nandito na sa parking lot bago baba. 59, 58. Go ahead.
Your signal is pretty good a lot. Your 555 something to 57. Better now. Are you under the roof or open air or question mark over?
Open air at in front mismo ng Magellan's Cross. Andito na ako sa Cebu City Hall at magtatrabaho na. Delta Victor 7 Victor November, DU7 Foxtrot Cebu Mobile.
Oh, yes, City Hall. Yeah, City Hall, Magellan's Cross. Sige. So, 73 and good morning from the group. Have a nice day there. Have a nice, good copy right now. Have a nice day. Good night.
Thank you very much, Delta Victor 7 Victor November, and also DU7 EQ, DU7 Foxtrot Stationary Mobile. Baba muna at testing natin doon sa ang opisina yung signal. Thank you, 73.
Sige, 73. Sige, slow. Try us again. No problem. We're always here.
Ayos.
So back to you, N6TV. With the group, DU7A. Can you take it, man? Thank you, Drake.
Okay, tingnan nyo yung antenna ka. Yung gamit ko antenna. Yan. ICOM sa Alpha Hotel 740. Fresh, no? Kahapon lang na-install ng isang araw. Okay. Thank you for watching. DU7 Foxtrot here in Cebu 73.